Please be aware, this video does not cover all aspects of H5P. It is intended for Avenue users who will be creating H5Ps in their courses. At the end of this video, links to more H5P development resources are available. The way we create H5Ps has changed. Watch this short video to learn how to create H5Ps in Avenue. There are 3 steps to making an H5P learning object in Avenue. The first step is to open the content bank and click on the Add button. The second step is to create the H5P in the content bank and store it in the content bank. The third and final step is to link the H5P to your Avenue course's topic area. On your Avenue course, scroll down the navigation drawer until you see the content bank link. Click on the content bank link. The content bank opens. Notice that there are already H5P learning objects in this course's content bank. Click on the Add button. H5P options appear in a drop-down list. For this example, we will create an H5P multiple choice question. The H5P multiple choice editor appears. Type in a title for the H5P learning object, then type in a question. Type in the correct answer. Check in the correct box. Input a distractor. To add more distractors, click on the Add option button. Enter the next distractor. Click on the Save button. The H5P multiple choice question preview appears. Click on the Close button to leave the H5P preview. The content bank screen appears. Click on the course name in the breadcrumbs menu. At this point, click on the Turn Editing On button. In the appropriate topic, click on the Add an Activity or Resource link. The Add an Activity or Resource pop-up appears. Click on the H5P icon. Type in a name for the H5P that will appear on the course menu. Click on the Files icon. In the left column, at the bottom, click on the Content Bank link. The H5Ps of the Content Bank appear. Select the appropriate H5P learning object from the list. A pop-up appears that contains information about the H5P learning object. Adjust information as required, and then click on the Select this file button. Under the package file, click to expand the H5P options section. Choose any combination of Allow Download, Embed, and Copyright buttons as required. Make alterations to other Moodle settings as you would on any learning activity. Click on the Save and Return to Course button. On the course main menu, look for the H5P Learning Activity link. Click on the link. The H5P activity preview appears. You may find that you need to remove duplicate or outdated H5Ps from your course content bank. Follow these steps to remove unwanted H5Ps from the content bank. To delete or remove an H5P from your content bank, open the navigation drawer and locate the course content bank. Click on the Content Bank link. The Content Bank appears. Click on the H5P to remove it. Click on the H5P Actions menu. In the drop-down menu, click on the Delete option. In the confirmation pop-up, click on the Delete button. The H5P Learning Object has been removed from the course content bank. To duplicate or copy and paste an H5P Learning Object using the content bank, follow these steps. Go to the course content bank using the link in the navigation drawer. Select the H5P Learning Object to be copied. Note that the H5P activity type in this example is Mark the Words. The H5P appears. Click on the Edit button. Click on the Copy button. Click on the Content Bank link in the Breadcrumbs menu. Click on the Add button. Click on the Mark the Word link in the drop-down menu. In the Mark the Words editor, click on the Paste and Replace button. In the pop-up, click on the Replace Content button. The contents have been copied. Make changes to the content to create a new activity. Click on the Save button. The new activity appears. Click on the Close button to return to the content bank. The H5P can now be placed in the course. There is now a new H5P learning object made from a copy of another H5P learning object. If you have H5Ps in your course content bank, these can easily be added to your course through the text editor or the Moodle Atto editor. These activities are only good for practice or formative activities, as the grades do not report to the gradebook. Additional resources available at the Avenue project include a recent webinar, H5P and Avenue, a how-to guide converting EduLink H5Ps to Avenue H5Ps, how-to guides provided at the Learn IT to Teach portal support area. Included in the Avenue Stage 3 and Stage 4 training. Videos at the Learn IT to Teach YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. If you need further help, do not hesitate to post or read the archives on the Avenue Teacher Only forum.